Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite Arizona burritos. In case you guys want to know how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by making our carne asada marinade. In a bowl we're going to add 1 chopped onion, 1 handful of chopped cilantro, and 1 jalapeño, along with half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of lime juice, the juice of 1 orange, 2 minced scarlet cloves, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of New Mexico chili powder, salt, and black pepper. And we're just going to whisk everything together. And at this point you can try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to add 3 pounds of our favorite steak. Just make sure that you chop it into small pieces. Okay, so now we're just going to mix our marinade with our meat. Make sure that the meat gets fully coated. Okay, so once the meat is nice and coated, we're going to cover it. We're going to place it in a refrigerator and allow it to marinate for at least 4 hours. Okay, so after a few hours, we're going to get our meat out of the refrigerator and we're going to allow it to come to room temperature so like that we can get ready to cook. Okay, so once our meat comes to room temperature, now we are ready to cook. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our potatoes. We're going to grab our pan or skillet and we're going to set it on medium heat. To our pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil and we're just going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once oil heats up, we're going to add 4 potatoes cut into small cubes. And we're going to season our potatoes with salt and black pepper. So we're going to be cooking them for about 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, we're going to add 3 roma tomatoes, 1 small white onion, and 2 jalapeños. And just make sure that you remove the seeds from the tomatoes. Now we're going to cook for another 7 minutes or until our potatoes are nice and soft. Okay, so after 7 minutes, our potatoes should be nice and soft. Of course, just make sure you check them. You can see. So they are ready. So now we're going to add a handful of cilantro. Mix it together. We're going to turn it off, cover them, and set them to the side. Okay, so once we have our potatoes ready, now we are ready to make our carne asada. So we're going to grab our skillet, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once our skillet is nice and hot, now we're going to begin to cook our meat. And of course, just cook it to your liking. Okay, so once our meat is cooked to our liking, we're going to remove it from the skillet. And now we can get ready to make our delicious Arizona burritos. Okay, now I'm just going to warm up my tortilla. Okay, we're going to flip the tortilla over. Okay, once the tortilla is ready, we can now make our burrito. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, making our burrito. So we're going to begin by adding some cheddar cheese. So just add your cheese. We're going to add our delicious carne asada. And top it with our potatoes. Okay, we're going to grab the ends and roll it. And just like that, we have our delicious Arizona burrito. Okay, so now we're just going to cut it. Serve it with your favorite salsa and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these burritos are seriously super easy to make and so delicious. Nothing beats homemade. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. And of course you can add guacamole and all that, but for me this is seriously perfect. Just going to add a little bit of salsa verde. And cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my favorite Arizona burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.